In exercise 9.3, question number 9.1, carry out the multiplication of the following expressions. We will perform some questions here having the multiplication of the monomial and binomial, right? So look how do we solve these questions. This is 4 into p, 4p is to be multiplied with q plus r, right? So what we have to do here is, you remember about the distributive property we have gone through in the previous classes. If I have a multiplied to b plus c, then this a is to be multiplied as ab plus ac. The same pattern is to be followed here. 4p into q plus 4p into r. So this is your answer, 4pq plus 4p. Few more examples. Second part is ab and a minus b is to be multiplied. So in the solution part we will write it as ab multiplied by minus a minus b. This is how we do this. ab into a, this is a square in b minus ab square. So what is it? ab into a, that is a square b, and ab into minus b, say remember minus b we have, this is minus of ab square. So this is how we perform. Look upon the third component, third question. A plus b is to be multiplied with 7a square b square. So in the solution part you can write a plus b into 7a square b square, or you can write also as 7a square b square into a plus b. So both are similar things, right? You can put this one component here as well. So even if we have written this 7a square b square after a plus b, then even you can perform with the same pattern. The 7a square b square is a monomial and this is binomial. So 7a square b square is to be multiplied by a first. So you will be getting a 7a cube b square. How do we do this? Let me show you. And plus 7a square b cube. So what I'm doing here is 7a square b square is multiplied by a, so you will be getting 7a cube and b square, of course. And when I'm doing a 7a square b square multiplied by b, I'm getting a 7a square and b cube because of these two. So this is your answer. Question number 2, complete the table. We have first expression, the second expression, and then we have to perform the product, right? So I have written the first component, first row, as first expression is a and second expression is b plus c plus d. So how do we do the product here is, a is to be multiplied with the trinomial here. So trinomial, remember one thing, this a will be multiplied with all the terms of the trinomial. So the answer will be as a into b, that is ab, first one, then plus a into c, that is ac, then a plus लगाएंगे यहाँ पे plus because of this plus sign, a into d, that is ad. So this is your first row. The second one is x plus y plus 5 and 5xy. So this is a monomial and this is trinomial. So trinomial will take the bracket, 5xy will be multiplied with all three terms. So the first one term is x is multiplied by 5xy. Remember this is 5x square y. Remember this is x into x square, and this y is at here, not this one, right? Remember this is 5 x into x, x square, and this y is y. So now plus sign, we have plus sign here, and this is 5xy again. 5xy is to be multiplied by this y, so this is 5xy square. Similarly, we will write here 5 into 5, 25, and xy, these xy has to be put with 25. Third one is, this is monomial and this is trinomial. Again start multiplication. P into 6p square is 6p cube. P into minus 7p, this is minus 7. P into p is p square. Plus 5 into p, that is 5p. The next one is, this is monomial and this is binomial, so these two terms will have to be multiplied with 4p square q square. So this is 4 p square q square is to be multiplied with the p square. You will be getting 4 p, remember p raised to power p square here, p square here, so we will have p raised to power 4 q square along with 4p raised to power 4, and then minus sign, 4 into 1, that is 4 p square, and q square is to be multiplied with q square. This is 4 p raised to power 2 and q raised to power 4. So this is how we perform the monomial, the trinomial. Start multiplication. ABC multiply a, this is a square bc, plus ABC multiply b, this is ab square c, and plus ABC multiply c, this is abc square. So question number 3, exercise 9.3, find the product. Part number 1 is a square multiplication with 2a raised to power 22 is to be multiplied with 4a raised to power 26. So look, how do we do this? This is a bit easy now. So one thing, all the coefficients are to be multiplied. This is 1 into 2 into 4, and in multiplication we have variables a square into a raised to power 22 into a raised to power 26. So how do we perform here? This is 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 1s are 8, 8 into a raised to power. Now see, we have a raised to power x into a raised to power y is equal to a raised to power x plus y. This is the law of exponents and powers. If we have same basis, then powers are to be added if the multiplication sign is there between the same bases, right? So powers are added. So if we have even if we have 3 same variables, then all the powers are to be added. This is 2 plus 22 plus 26. So write them little bit smaller in size as compared to a, so that it is easily be recognized that these are the powers. So this is 8 a raised to power 6 to 8 and 2 10, 0, 2 2's 4, 4 and 1 carry was, that is 50. So this is your answer, 8 a raised to power 50. So this is how we perform. Second part is 2 upon 3 xy multiplication minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. So need not to worry too much about the rational numbers here. Solution part, this is 2 by 3 xy, no 2 by 3 into minus 9 upon 10, and xy is to be multiplied with x square y square. So your answer is, cancel out these 3, and 9 and 2 and 5. So all you have is minus 3 upon 5. Look x, write x exactly alongside this upon sign. So x raised to power 1 and x raised to power 2 is x raised to power 3. Y raised to power 1 and y raised to power 2 is y raised to power 3. So no sign of multiplication here. It is understood that x cube and y cube are in multiplication. This is how we perform the multiplication of monomial and trinomial. Part number 3 and part number 2 are similar, same. So I'm skipping this part number 3. Do it yourself. Part number 4 is x into x square into x cube into x raised to power 4. So we will perform it as told you in the previous question, x raised to power x, all we have x, so all the powers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all the powers are to be added. And write one thing important is write all these powers a little bit smaller than in comparison to the base. So your answer is x raised to power 4, 3, 7, 2, 9 and 1, 10. So x raised to 10 is your answer, right? So this is your question number 3. Question number 4, simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find the value of when x is equal to 3 and when x is equal to 1 by 2. So we have two questions here. The first of all, 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 is to be simplified. This is monomial and this is binomial, has to be multiplied. 3 into 4, 12, x into x is x square minus 5 into 3, 15, 15 into this one x is at here. So 12x square minus 15x plus 3, we have the simplified format, right? So now when x is equal to 3, so when x is equal to 3, 12x square minus 15x plus 3 will become, how do we enter here? Look it carefully. 2, we have multiplication sign here, right? Here multiplication, 3 raised to power 2 minus 15 into 3 plus 3. So all in all we have 12 into 9 minus 15 into 3, 45 plus 3. So this is your answer is 108 minus 45 plus 3. So this is 111 minus 45, Bodmer's rule, remember. And 111 minus 45 is 66. So this is your part number 1. In part number 2, find the value when x is equal to 1 by 2. So when x is equal to 1 by 2, we have 12x square minus 15x plus 3 will be rewritten as 12 into 1 by 2 square. Remember this, note it down. X square we have, so this is a into 1 by 2 x square minus 15 into y into, this is product sign here, 15 into x we have, so this is 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So this is your 12 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 4 and 12. Bodmer's rule apply करते हैं. 4 3s are 12. This is 3 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. Again 3 plus 3. This is 6 minus 15 upon 2. So taking the LCM of both of the terms, 2 LCM, 2, 6, 2, 12 minus 15. So your answer is minus 3 upon 2. So when x is equal to 1 by 2, your expression will yield minus 3 by 2. Question number 5 says, add p into p minus q, q into q minus r, and r into r minus p. So look, how do we do? Add likha hai, so we will put p into p minus q, and plus sign we have here, q into q minus r, and again plus sign we have r into r minus p. So we are doing the addition here. So how do we do this? First of all, multiply using the distributive property. As we know, according to the BODMAS rule, multiplication comes first. So p into p is p square minus this minus, p into q is pq, then plus sign, q into q is q square minus q into r, this is qr, and plus sign, r into r is r square, and r into p, negative sign, p r you can say, or rp you can say. So let us find out the like terms here. P square, no p square, pq, no pq, q square, no q square another, qr, nowhere, r square, nowhere, pr. So all are independent unlike terms. So this is your answer, right? So this is part number A. In part number B, it is 2x into z minus x minus y, and put plus sign here because of this addition, plus 2y into z minus y minus x. So z minus y minus x, z minus y minus x 2 times. So no problem, we will start similarly by multiplying monomial and trinomial. So first one is 2x into z, this is 2xz, you can write 2zx also. This is minus 2x square, and 2x into minus y, this is minus 2yx, or you can say this is 2xy. So x and y are little bit too aesthetic in writing, so 2xy. So plus 2yz, and minus 2y square, and minus 2xy again. So let us find out the like terms. Xz we have, xz, any xz, no xz. So this is 2xz. X square, no one is here. This is minus 2x square. Anything else? Minus 2xy, we have two like terms here. Minus 2xy is minus 4xy. We are doing addition here or subtraction here. So remember, x square, y square will not take place. This is xy will take common xy. So this is minus 4xy. yz, anyone? No one. This is 2yz, y square is independent, so 2y square. So even if we write this one as answer, this is over. This is your answer. Another simplification you can do, similarly you can put the like terms, or you can say, you cannot say anything. पार्ट नंबर डी देख लेते हैं. subtract 3l bracket start, l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l bracket start 10n minus 3m plus 2l. So again subtraction we have, no problem at all. Write 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l first. Why? because this one polynomial is to be subtracted from this one. So negative sign because of subtraction, negative sign. Then 3l, right here, 3l bracket start, l minus 4m plus 5n. So let us simplify it. Multiply monomial into trinomial. First 4l into 10n, 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 4 to the 8 l square. No problem. This is minus 3. Read it as minus 3. Minus 3l into l. Minus 3l square. Minus 3 into minus 4 is plus 12 lm. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 ln. So find out the like terms. ln we have 40 minus 15, 25 ln. lm we have minus 12 and plus 12 will cancel out. So plus we have 8l square and minus 3. So this is 5l square. So I think it is your answer. E part we have subtract, again subtract. E part we have. So how do we perform question number 5 part E? Subtract this polynomial from this one. So first of all, write simply as 4c bracket start minus a plus b plus c, and put a subtraction sign here. Because of this subtract, we have been supposed to do put bracket, y bracket. So this one is a little bit larger polynomial having a minus sign here. So we cannot confuse this whole one with independent minus. So whenever we do not put this bracket, this component will take negative sign up to here. So in order to protect the whole of the polynomial, we will put a bracket here, and then we'll start 3a bracket start a plus b plus c minus 2b bracket start a plus b plus c bracket close, again with the larger brackets too. So this is equal to, look how we perform 4c monomial into trinomial. 4c into minus a, this is minus 4 ac plus 4 bc plus 4c square. No problem with it. Minus bracket start, let us simplify this one first. 3a into a, that is 3a square 3a square plus sign. Remember, we do not have this negative sign here inside, so this minus sign is still outside waiting. And 3a square plus b, so this is plus 3ab plus 3ac. This is minus 2b into a minus 2ab minus 2b square and minus 2bc bracket close. So now this is minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square and minus, this minus will go into all the terms, minus 3a square minus 3ab minus 3ac minus plus 2ab plus 2b square plus 2bc. So finding out the like terms, 4ac, ac here we have another one with ac, no ac, so this is minus 7 ac, minus 4 minus 3, minus 7 ac. bc we have, again last one is bc, plus 4 and plus 2, that is plus 6 bc. And c square we have, no c square, so this is 4c square. Then a square we have, no a square, another one, so this is minus 3a square. And ab we have, ab another one, ab is this one, AB and AB, minus 3 and plus 2, this is minus AB. Minus 1 AB is minus AB, right? And AC is gone, so this is your simplified answer. That's all.